So my birthday is coming up very soon. Here's the wine of their bomb. Let's pack for the trip. Let's go. So my birthday is coming up very soon, and I have intentions of vlogging that as well. I had an hair appointment like an hour ago, but I'm late. So, I mean, if you're already late, you're late. So I just want to quickly show you guys the attachment I'll be using. So I have here all the attachments that I've used that were like remaining, you know, those leftover attachments. So I want to mix the colors because I do not have any intention of going through Pinterest for any hair inspo. So we're just going to mix the colors I have available. And luckily for me, they are kind of similar. So it's not really so far-fetched because I'm not really into crazy hairstyle colors. So we have this one looking like ginger red. We're going to be mixing this one. I'm not really a fan, but I know with the combination of everything, this will work perfectly well. Obviously, black is like my go-to. So if everything is not enough, I'm going to just get one more black and call it a day. I also put them together. This is what they look like. And I just kind of believe that it will be enough. If it's not enough, then we just get one emergency attachment and that's it. I just booked my ride. So let's go, guys. I will be on my way there. Ciao.
Don't be in the home, but God, tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. I was in hope she's left to right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memory.
I cannot believe that I left this till like Kanye, you don't get shit. You not follow me on TV. Baby, it's yours.
Go shut up, yeah.
Wait, is it front camera or back camera?
Yes, now front camera.
Serious?
I'm dirty and dirty and dirty and dirty and stop Beyonce. Problem in all the feelings, you can try to enjoy. But I like all the feelings, you can try to enjoy. Say kata won't do the finish, you can try to enjoy. Problem in all the feelings, you can try to enjoy. I be a body commando. I put the body in so I will never be your pato. I will be there if anybody so sick and great. But Santa give it dick. Girl with a big money like click. Be the heart beat of my heart though. My heart you got the body so sick.
Ladies, it's pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. It's like where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. In my bag like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smells good. That's just cause I'm having sin. Sex game go stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Never tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my
fly in the sky in the night. Hold me in your arms and your love and your light. I'm on your wave right now. I'm on your wave right now. Yeah. I'm on your vibe now. You got me on your side now. Yeah, I'm on your wave right now. Oh, yeah. If not you, then I don't wanna know. I don't want no story. Day and night, it's unconditional. Got me leaving softly. Yeah, yeah. Don't me judge it, don't me tender. You know you love turn me up like never. Anything you want and I'ma do whatever. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly in the sky at night. Hold me in your arms and your love and your life. I'm on your wave right now. I'm on your wave right now. Yeah. I'm on your vibe now. You got me on your side now. Yeah, I'm on your wave right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Said love me judge, love me tender.
Guys, hi guys, good morning. It's morning. Last night I got back very late and I just went to bed because it was late. Even the hairstylist had to wait for my Uber to arrive before she left. So I know you guys know what I'm trying to show you. I know you guys know what I'm trying to show you. So this is the new hairstyle, and it's not just a new hairstyle. This is my birthday hairstyle. Yeah, birthday girl over here, September born. Okay, so what do you guys think? I actually do not know what my feelings are about this hair yet, but I just know that I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section. The color, remember when I was showing you guys the attachment I wanted to take to the salon, and I was like, this particular color, I really like it. And now it's on my hair right now, and I don't know, I really do not know. Or is it because I'm just very used to black attachments? I actually had plans of doing like a photo shoot, but I won't be doing that anymore. I wanted to do a proper video shoot outdoors, but I decided that maybe I should plan it properly for next year. So fingers crossed for that. Fingers crossed. Cluck. So fingers crossed for that. Gotta find a way. And I know you find a way. And I know someday I'll make it out of here in a building. 100 places. Get it done, all alone, heart full of thunder, heart of snow. Get it done. Hello, welcome home. Gotta find a way. I want to do this stuff. I've wanted to do it today. Music aja. Girls that wind up their bumper. Drake from Canada. The girls that murder. I wanted to do that for the longest time. Okay, to end this part of the video, I just want to inform you guys that I'll be traveling. I was supposed to travel yesterday, but we're traveling tomorrow. We're traveling to my home. We're traveling to my state of origin, Delta State. And I have my flight in the morning tomorrow. So we need to do some packing. Let's pack for the trip. Let's go. I know my work involves traveling, but this is not work. This is me traveling. So you guys are going to pack with me, get ready with me, and let's go to Delta State together. Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Franco.
Yeah. I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out. I'm feeling lean, and I'll be down now. Anytime you call me, I'll be down.
This tastes so good.
You call me, I'll be down. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I
What do you guys think? I may or may not be filming until I get to Delta State. Should I film? Let's see how it goes. But if I do not, I'll see you guys when I get to Delta. So
Run and I run, fly in the sky in the night. Hold me in your arms and your love and your light. I'm on your wave right now. I'm on your wave right now. Yeah. I'm on your vibe now. You got me on your side now. Yeah. I'm on your wave right now. Oh, yeah. If not you, then I don't wanna know. I don't want no story. Day and night, it's unconditional. Got me living softly. Yeah, yeah. Love me judge, love me tender. You know you love turn me up like never. Anything you want and I'ma do whatever. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly in the sky tonight. Hold me in your arms and your love and your light. I'm on your wave right now. I'm on your wave right now. Yeah. I'm on your vibe now. You got me on your side now. Yeah, I'm on your wave right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Said love me judge, love me tender. 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 You my sugar, my honey, my tender lover. You my sugar, my honey, my tender lover. You my sugar, my honey, my tender lover. My sugar, my honey, my tender lover. Why would you just put me in your mouth and say something?
Something special, just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one